Hello everyone. Today we have an Audi Q7 2018. We need to replace a coil spring, but to replace that we need to first of all remove the control arms. But even if we just removed from one side here and left this alone, we still need to align it after. This bolt is seized in that bushing. The bushing inner part is aluminum, and it corroded to the point of complete seizure. So did the upper here. Same thing. You cannot move that bolt. And same on this side here. The only one that's moving is lower on this side, right here, because someone's already replaced this spring on this side. So they probably replaced the control arm already because it's not seized. So we're gonna try today to unseize these without destroying them using this really cool VENOM HP induction heater. Let's see how that works. So we pull out our main unit here. It's a little dirty. And we use probably the smallest attachment, lock it in, and put it over the bolt and see how it heats it up. All right, let's give it a shot. We are ready to heat this one up. Oh, it's getting red. The bolt is getting red. Oh, sweet. Okay, so now I think we need to start trying to turn it. Okay, so it heated up. I hope it heated up inside enough to break that corrosion loose. So let's try to turn it now. It didn't work, so we're gonna heat it more. Let's attempt now. All right, let's give it a shot. It actually started moving. There you go. So we could have saved it. That's nice. Okay, we actually saved it. So the induction heater is really good for loosening these aluminum corroded bushings bolts assemblies. So we have one more on this side. Let's give it a shot.
Twice just for the fun of it. So much money I don't know what to do with it. Don't pick up my phone, ain't no more time. I need one gun and we gotta buy. So much love that the whole thing feel like a lie.
Okay, should be enough. Yeah, let's give it a shot. let's try to turn it. That's the bolt. Yeah, it's very hidden in there. Yeah, you got it. Okay. Oh, it seems like it's moving. Oh yeah, it has moved. Well, it's still tight, but it's moving, so maybe we'll heat it up later a little bit so that we can get it even more loose. Yeah, we'll heat it up later. Just leave it for now. Let it cool down, and then we'll do another round. Let's do one more here. All right. Let's try and see if it goes. This one looks like it's more corroded than the other one. So we may have difficulties, but let's see. Oh, no. No, no, still not breaking loose. It's going with the bushing, with the bushing. This one's got the most amount of corrosion, so it'll probably take one more time of heating, maybe a little bit more heating, and it'll go, maybe. Yeah, I just gotta hammered the corrosion loose a little bit. We'll give it a second attempt after we tried this one again. This one is already loose. We just need to heat it up again so that it breaks some more corrosion, so it's easier to turn. So just an extra step. So our VENOM HP overheated a little bit. It's giving us this red light here to let it cool down, but we just heated it enough so that we can now turn it and see if it's moving any good. Yeah, looks like it's moving better now. Is it? Okay. So yeah, good. We got this one down. Our VENOM HP has cooled down. We are ready to do the last one again. See if we can get that to loosen up. Attempting the move. All right, it's moving. All right, we got that one loosened up. Wow, all of them loosened up. That is wonderful. And you can see how much aluminum corrosion is just falling out of there. All right, so we got them all loosened out. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. We're still replacing them because we've damaged enough of them to be replacing them, but we were able to remove it without a lot of struggle using this VENOM HP induction heater. By the way, this is not an advertisement. This is just the tool we have, and we decided to share how it works, and it does work well in this situation. So thanks for watching and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.